What up, Sodak Squad? It's your boy Sodak, and we're doing the intro in the car today because it is a frigid one today. It's colder than a witch's titty in a brass bra out there, and the car says -10, and the windshield and the real feel is like -22. So, not surprisingly, we're the only one at the lake. I guess Super Bowl Sunday and -22, people just want to stay home, and I get that. More fish for me, hopefully. But we're gonna be doing a lot of super finessey stuff, a lot of just live bait, just chilling, small minnows, and we're just going after anything that wants to bite our line today. We ain't being picky at all. If I get 2 fish today, I'm gonna be happy, because it is literally the coldest day of the year. We're getting into the dog days of winter. The bite's already slow enough, and with -22 out, it's gonna probably be even slower. But we're gonna set up on a hole here and hopefully get eaten. But if you would please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for weekly content, if you would please, and we'll be catching you on the ice. Oh, that's nice. Whew, we're all set up. We just took our, I'll pick that up. We just put our tip ups in the house today because it is so friggin' cold out. But we're gonna be jigging out of this hole here. Tip ups over there. Lifesaver right there. And yeah, we're gonna try to make something of this day. We're literally the only people on the lake. And let's try not to freeze to death, which it is pretty nice in here at the moment. And try to catch at least a couple fish. But we'll see. Hopefully next time you see me, we're reeling in a big one. Come on, baby. Oh, come on and eat it. It's our first mark of the day. Come on. First mark of the day. Come on. Oh, you little... Come on, baby. That's a good mark. That's a good mark. Got him. Oh, yeah. What do we got here, baby? It feels halfway decent. There's another mark down there, too. Ooh! That is a... Look at that. Look at that sunfish. That is awesome. Who is that? Red ear? That thing is beautiful. And I think we might have a fish on our other rod, too. No. We're gonna let him go. My first ever. The colors on them are just beautiful. We're gonna let him go. Let him get bigger. See you later, little dude. Yeah, baby. New species. First fish on the ice. Let's keep it going. Really, dude? Really? Was the only person on this lake, and you just come set up 10 feet from me. You know, there's an entire lake, and when there's only 2 people on that entire lake, maybe not set up 10 foot behind me. But whatever. Oh yeah, I feel so much better. If y'all are in your shack by yourself, do y'all pee in your shack? Or is it just me? Am I weird? Like, I got a decent sized shack and I'm in here by myself. Is it weird to pee in your own shack? Or is that like against some weird rule or something? Oh, maybe I'm weird. We got marks. Come on, baby. There's 2 of them right on it. Come on, baby. Come on. Eat it. Oh, I missed it. Dude, I don't know if you can see that. I have 4 marks down there. Oh, he hit it again. Oh, just pull it out of his mouth. I felt him. Hopefully I didn't sting him with it and he'll come back for it. Oh, he's coming back for it. No!
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Oh, come give me a 3rd or 4th chance, whatever it is. Oh, I missed him again. Dude, this fish has ate it 4 times. And I pulled it out of his mouth each time. I don't even know if I still got bait on this thing. Oh, come on, baby. Dude, this fish is still on me. Ah! Oh, we just had a flag go. Scared the hell out of me. Alright, please be on there. Oh, he dropped it. And our minnow's gone. Oh, I've been waiting for I've been waiting for this flag to pop for hours, and it finally did. And our minnow is gone. Got robbed. Got robbed. Oh, got him. No! No! Oh, my God. That was a good fish. Oh, God. Oh, that had my heart going. Oh, that was a pike. That was a pike. Damn it. I've been fishing for hours trying to get a good pike or a walleye, and that one just hammered me. And I lost him about a foot under the hole. Oh. Oh, here we got another mark coming up. Let's redeem ourselves here. Oh! I set the hook like a bitch. I didn't think he was gonna hit it, and he hit it. And I set the hook like a sissy. Oh, if I would have laid the wood to him, I would have had him. Alright, if I get hit again, I am laying the wood. Look. He hit me so hard, he tangled up my lure. No. Oh, it's been literally probably 2 hours of zero action, and I just had a pike slam it, and I don't know what that second one was, but I just got slammed twice, and I messed it up both times. We got a flag. It's spinning. No! Oh, I felt him on there. He dropped it right when I grabbed it. Oh my God. Seriously? Oh, miss after miss after miss after miss. There's a fish chasing this. Let's see if I can hand jig him. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, I got him. I got him. Oh, he feels decent too. Oh, I got him. Don't lose him, don't lose him. Oh, it's a decent one. Oh, it's a little pike. Woo. With the hand jig, baby. Oh, little snot rocket. Hey, let me get you unhooked about. Oh. Oh, little snot rocket. That was awesome, dude. Literally reeling it in for the day, seeing there was a mark under it, hand jigged him, felt him bite, and we got him. Woo, I missed a good pike today, but hey, we got a little snot rocket. You want to say what's up? What's up? Alright, dude, let's let you go home. Thank you. You saved my day a little bit, I guess. Oh, dude, no. This way. This way. Whew. Hell yeah. I thought it was a good walleye, but little packer. Hell yeah, bro. Ugh. Woo, baby, it's a cold one out there. I think that's gonna about wrap it up for today, sadly. Not the greatest day of fishing, but not the worst. What can you expect when it's literally in the negative teens and now it's snowing as well? But hey, first red ear sunfish ever through the ice, and it was a decent little one. It was really pretty fish. But then we hand jigged the pike. We missed about a dozen fish, which we had a good pike on too, as you've seen, and that is still swimming somewhere that I don't know. But I appreciate y'all for watching. If you would, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for weekly uploads. I'm doing 2, sometimes 3 videos a week. So if you want to be part of Sodak Squad, you want to be a part of the journey, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. And we'll be seeing you here shortly in a couple days on the next one. Hopefully it's not negative 5,000 degrees out. Because if I wanted to fish in Russia, I would move to Russia. But see y'all on the next one.